Yo, chat. Messenger. Alright, chat. Sorry for that delay. We're back. We're back. Pin message. Okay. That is that. And one more last thing before we start off. It's our positioning. Blood 50K. Asking set. Okay. No! Fuck, I gotta do it. No! Set. There we set. So we got our news at 8:30 today. So yeah, that's all we got. And that's that. Hey, let me go put some videos so I can watch out the whole stream. Yeah. Okay. We are chilling. Let's get it. Monthly, the low short-term draw liquidity has been met. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam, my boy. MD Tamim. Kinda hard to say your name, but yeah. We have met our monthly goal, which was this monthly CRT to the downside. You can see short-term drawn liquidity on the monthly time frame has been met. Monthly time frame has tapped into the monthly fair value gap once again. You can see market soup out that low right over there of this other monthly CRT. So our long-term drawn liquidity is now back to here. Now we're looking for longs now, right? Now we're setting up for longs here. Market souped out recently a ERL. As well as we have this CRT right over here, this daily CRT, but weekly CRT. I don't know if it's gonna get respected or not, but let's see here. Tamim. Oh, okay. Hey, that's a good ass name, brother. I like the name, Tamim. But on the weekly, we got a weekly ERL to IRL right over here. Why are we calling this back to this IRL? Because this is the candle that previously was used as IRL, right? Because market could retest this IRL again. So weekly ERL to IRL, daily ERL to IRL. All right, so daily time frame, weekly time frame, going for weekly ERL to IRL, daily IRL, ERL to IRL right over here. Right? What else do we have here? On the daily, we have the daily CRT, but market has not shown any respect of it, so we're not going to be using it as our CRT until we get respect out of it today. Tomorrow we can have a clear bias, but today probably gonna be a little reversal, not as much, but tomorrow should be the big move happening, right? On the weekly profile on our daily time frame, it looks like to be a Monday high of the week. Tuesday continuing, Thursday meeting the drawn liquidity, right? So Thursday is gonna have a slight reversal, and Friday is gonna do like a quick retracement, right? So let me show you guys more examples of what I mean. Thursday, in this case, did not meet it, but so Friday did. So Friday will push down. In this case, Thursday, did not meet the drawn liquidity, which is down here. Okay, I got a good example here. Okay, in this case, right over here, Thursday has met the drawn liquidity, which is this low right over here. So Thursday did a slight push up, and Friday continued to move to the upside, right? What's good, gang? What's good, my boy Willex? This is a class expansion week, so Friday should reverse. Yes, sir, man. You're paying attention, brother. You're paying attention. But yeah, as well could be Thursday as well. Thursday could cause a reversal because Thursday has met the drawn liquidity, but it's not going to be a big reversal until tomorrow. But we don't know yet, so we have to be waiting until tomorrow here. But today I'm looking for longs here. I'm looking for a slight reversal. But let me show you guys what I mean by this Thursday. Yeah, Thursday is there. I don't have any. The only one I can think about is this one right over here. Friday. Oops. Wednesday meeting the goal. Thursday just retracing, and Friday just retracing. What's good, my boy Trader? Missed the sales price. Gave no retracement to my according to my plan. Would have taken it nice. Yeah, bro. I see this one as well, bro. It's kind of annoying, man. I was awake at 3 a.m. right? I woke up. I slept around like 8 a.m. right? I mean 8 p.m. I tried to wake up at 6 a.m. right? So I woke up at 3 a.m. right? Because I had some bad sleep. I couldn't sleep well, right? So because I had constantly like sleeps that are not making me feel well, right? So I was like, okay, let me wake up, okay? So yeah, I hate those type of dreams, bro. It just pisses me off, man. But I see the sell too, man. The sell was crazy nice though. It was crazy nice as well, man. How could we caught that trade there for that selling? Yeah, it would have been a good sell position right over here, 245. You would have had to catch it around, yeah. You would have had to catch it around 245, where you would have not been in there. But you have to wait till 3 p.m. right? I mean 3 a.m. You're already in a CRT, so you're just taking it straight to the downside. I see you got UTC +5, but I wake up at 2 a.m. same as you, my boy, in Toronto. Oh my goodness, bro! You wake up at 2 a.m. just to trade, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, man. Like I used to wake up early. Now I'm not chasing profits too much, right? Although this past freaking 4 weeks, London session has been making every major news. Look, London session made the major news, right? This was New York. Hey, how can I say more? Is there more? London session made the big move happen, right? It's always London as of right now. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, bro. It's to me, I just can't wake up. I was like, if I gonna mess up my sleeping routine, I like London more. Yeah, way more smoother practicing, bro. Way more smoother practicing. Because in New York, only two things happen. The reason New York is way easier to trade because New York continuation and New York reversal, they're very easy to trade, bro. They're not hard. They're not difficult, right? I was waiting for the agents to get swept for sales, but didn't got any. Yeah, sometimes it won't happen. This will be considered as a delayed protection profile. And what's good about GBPUSD? The reason it will be delayed protection profile, you can see in the 4-hour time frame, right? We're already in a CRT here. You can see 4-hour CRT, we're already in here. It is a 4-hour CRT that have already pressed out, right? So at 245 would have been your selling opportunity for this low to get. You would have been your selling opportunity to the downside, right? How could we penetrate today in London session? Just like that, brother. I just told you guys. Because sometimes when the market's in a CRT already, it won't like to purge out the others here. Won't really like to purge out the 80 session. You just stick to the delayed protection profile, right? Because you can see there's a CRT here, there's a key level, and as well as this has to push down, right? It can't go back up because it can't go back up all over here because this will be considered as a KOD. The SMT with DXY and another session. Yeah, you're right as well with that, brother. I don't know why I don't like to use DXY as a SMT, bro. It's kind of hard for me to trade. It's kind of hard for me to pick out SMT and DXY, right? But there was definitely SMT here. Yeah, you can see right over here, SMT with DXY. Pushed out the Asian session low, while this one didn't, right? So yeah, that's how you could trade that right there, brother. Or SMT, it's right over here, bro. You could have done it both ways, right? This would be considered as an ICTs or CRTs double purge, or you could have done a SMT right over here with the correlated pair, which was DXY. What is the cat doing, bro? Get out of here, bro. SMT right over there with G with DXY right over there. He was waiting for a discount in sales. Market push out the high, push out the low. Wait, so your discount would be an expansion swing from this. You guys better not shit, bro. I hate this cast, bro. But I don't want to take a shit here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. Hold on. Let me take this cast away. They're annoying. All right, come on. I don't fuck with these casts, man. You and this guy on with the same chart. Yeah, bro. But like, to me, sometimes I get confused. Like, I'm like, why is it not moving the same way, right? So I always I sometimes forget that is negative correlation, right? I think it's always positive, right? So that's why sometimes I may get messed up. But because yeah, you're definitely right there, brother. It was a SMT with DXY, call it a pair, right? This is how you would use to enter this move to the downside. The fuck? Because you already know that there's a move happening to the downside, right? Because this would be considered a KOD right over here. You would consider this as another KOD to the downside, giving you a higher probability. Because this Tuesday would have not pushed it all down here because Wednesday would have been a bank holiday, right? So market would have not moved, right? So that's why I did that, right? This would have been considered as another KOD here. All you would have done is just take it from this to this right over here and just wait for a SMT. So these sides have to purge it out. This right over here is a SMT right over here. You're already in a key level, right? So this would be considered as your SMT to look for shorts here. Right? Close below it, tap it. Now you're in this trade. Sell stop right above this high. And how do you guys know that the SMT is confirmed by a CISD? You take it to the downside. You could have done both sides like this, right? CRT double purge, or you could have just disregarded this and just went to the downside to the weekly low, which was right over here. Let me just go back down there. Trader, but it did sweep the edge decision high at 248. You swooped it out? And as well as my boy trader, you might have to look for a not a that, but you might have to look for a as well as you have to look for an expansion swing. So this would be considered as an expansion swing, right? This would be your new daily range, right? But market really never retrace here, right? But this would be like it's reasonable, right? It wouldn't make sense for the market to go all the way over here and come back down because market is already near the drawn liquidity, right? Market did its last KOD. This would be this would be considered as another KOD to the downside, right? So yeah, that would be a 5 RR, bro. It's crazy. Oh, I deleted everything. Oh my god, bro. But why am I looking for a long here today, chat? I'm looking for longs because monthly CRT has been tapped. Monthly IRL to ERL, right? Monthly CRT low got tapped. Short-term reliquity got tapped. So I'm looking for long-term right over here. Weekly ERL to IRL right over here. We're going back from a weekly ERL to IRL. We could have a potential consolidation reversal, or we could have a classic expansion week to the downside. But Thursday meaning to go, and we could do a potential Thursday meaning to go, doing a little reversal, and Friday doing a and ending off the weekly range. Oops. Price was clean as long as we learn from it, getting more happy than that. Yeah, bro. That's the goal, brother. Losses, wins should be always as a lesson and improvement, brother. You're correct. You're definitely right, brother. But this is what causes people to have FOMO problem, right? The reason you have FOMO problem is because of this, right? But you can understand, right? You can understand why you didn't take it or you took it, because I can't take that because it's out of my trading zone. Bro, you are gonna all the 3K in one pair. You just put one die. I know, bro. The crazy thing is, my friend was pissed at me, bro. He was like, bro, because he needed me, right? He needed me to put liquidity into the market because, like, he couldn't, because he's like, I could have sent you a lot of money into it, but they're gonna be like, oh, they're doing, like, you know how the crypto shit is. They be like, oh, they're sharing the dev is sending his coin to different coins, right? Different wallets, right? So that would be considered as a insider thing, right? So I couldn't do that. So I just put my own money, and eventually I sent it to the wrong wallet, bro. I was like, damn, okay, it's crazy. I mean, if I would have done that, I would have had it made like 300K. Yeah, I think I would 330K somewhere around there. Probably potentially even more. Potentially even more though. There's 125x or with a 3K. I don't even know how much that is, but it should be a lot. It should be like around like 300 plus K. Yeah, it should have been. Yeah, it should have been 300 plus K, right? But no worries, man. I sent to the wrong wallet, bro. He was kind of pissed though. He was looking at me like, bro, what are you doing, bro? Can you not do this? Like, he was like, can you not do the one thing correctly, bro? I was like, damn, okay, bro, calm down. He's like, you know how experienced traders are? Yeah, have you guys ever had that meme where you're sitting by an experienced trader and they have like those nonchalant face, and that's how, you know what I'm saying? Why don't you do something like that? Why don't you do something like it again? It's hard, bro. It's hard to trust people, bro. They might just use me as a liquidity. They might just scam me. You know what I'm saying? But this guy was a trusted guy. Cause this one I helped this guy, right? I helped him when it was trading, right? He made back though, your boy or not? He made back. Yeah, he made back. He won't show me though. He made like around like how like he got out as well, bro. He got out around like he got out less than me. I was like, okay, you a dumbass. Like I hold it until like 160K market cap. He just got on like 70K market cap. I'm like, bro, you just tripping, bro. That shit pumped up to 300K. I was like, damn. He was greedy, bro. I think that greedy got his ass. It was funny though, bro. He was doing that nonchalant shit on me, bro. All right, so weekly IRL, weekly ERL to IRL. I'm always mistaking that shit. But you see how that's what I'm talking about. If you don't have clout in social media, don't trade meme coins, bro. Cause this guy I helped him with trading, right? I helped him with his forex, right? Because right now he trades forex as well, right? I helped him because meme coins and crypto trading is kind of difficult. Is more difficult than trading, forex. So I just told him this, and you just want to bless me or something, bro. I told him you want a dollar. I told him you want to put a dollar in there. He said, okay, it's fine. You can make some money out of it. So we're going from a daily ERL to IRL as well. ERL to IRL. 4 hour time frame. So on the weekly profile, we got a classic expansion week profile one and a two. I mean, Monday making the high of the week. As you guys said, as on Monday, I said this might be potential high of the week because there's that a big ass range, and Tuesday has to continue, right? So Monday high of the week. Thursday met the goal of the week. So we're looking for a Thursday consolidation reversal, or it could be a Thursday tapping the drone liquidity, doing a little bit reversal. Eventually Friday doing a retracement to end of the weekly candle range, right? To just do a reset. So that's what we're looking for today. We're looking for a small reversal. Why are we looking for a small reversal? Why are we looking for a small reversal? Because the weekly objective got met, which was the ERL, and looking for a Thursday small reversal, and Friday continue to the upside to end of the weekly range here. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so weekly, once again, ERL to RL. Why are we going ERL to RL? Monthly CRT low got purged, right? That means we are looking for longs here. The short-term looking has been met. So as well as 3-month time frame, 3-month time frame low got met as well, right? Weekly ERL to IRL, daily ERL to IRL, 4-hour. 4-hour CRT to the upside, so I'm looking for this to push to the downside right over here. So I'm looking for a New York reversal here. For a New York, okay, so this could be considered as a New York reversal profile here, right? You gotta see on this before we do that. Let me Okay, so anything else in the daily time frame? Oh, so daily we got a high time frame. High time frame is bullish. ERL, ERL to IRL. The weekly, daily ERL to IRL, daily, weekly profile that tapped Thursday, tapped the key level. So looking for a Thursday kind of Thursday reversal and Friday reversal as well. So now I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Do we have a range here? There, market created a high. Okay, there's low. Okay, so we're not a range. We're not no range because market has not created a low yet. So no ranges. We have a key level here. We have this low as our ERL as our key level. So this ERL is our key level for this CRT here. We might be on this New York reversal profile 1 because you can see, I think this is 2. Yeah, this is New York reversal profile 2. 1 a.m. making the accumulation, 5 a.m. being manipulation, and 9 a.m. being the expansion. Because if we get this, if we get this auto block right over here, CISD, we might have our confirmation. But I'm still gonna wait till 9 a.m. because this might be kind of tricky for this, right? Because market has pushed out of the range for a while now, right? I mean, the same thing here, but let's see where it goes here because I will need more information from you before I take the trade here. So yeah. I don't give a shit about. Okay, so do we have any daily range here? No daily range because the low got purged. So now low got purged and we're looking for a high, then we're looking for another daily range. So we don't got no daily range. There's not a lot of narrative to this, okay? There's not a lot of narrative to this. But for our daily profile, what do we have? We have a New York reversal profile, right? 5 p.m. candle was not the CRT. The 9 p.m. candle was a CRT. There was an SMT right over here. But I disagree with this being the high of the day. In this case, market tapped the weekly objective. So I'm bullish in this case, right? So I'm looking for a reversal. So I disagree with this high being the high, with this agency being the high of the day because I'm bullish, right? If I'm bullish, I want agency to make the low of the week, not the high of the week, right? But this doesn't mean I'm gonna go for the high of the week, right? The high of the day, right? That's stupid, right? I'm just gonna go to my CRT. My CRT gets met. That's all I care about, right? I'm not gonna go for the high of the day because, you know, what I'm saying there's no logical reason for me to go for the high of the day. There's no D range. There's no ranges, right, for me to go there to this high of the day, right? Although I disagree with it, right? I'm not gonna be stupid and take a trade here just because I believe that should not be the high of the day, right? You gotta think smarter here, right? So I'm looking for a New York reversal profile. It could be a New York reversal profile 1 or 2. Actually, it could be 2 right now because if we get this CISD here, this is because market has purged out this liquidity, right over here. If we get this CISD right over here, we might have a model number 1. But before we do that, Let's check something here. Market had this low, bearish candle, this candle pressed it out. Market made a low here, bearish candle. And then this other candle pressed out this other candle's low. This right over here is not a CISD. I've seen this before. I've seen this happen before, so I'm looking for another low to get purged, which is right over here, right down here. I'm looking for another low to get purged because right when this low gets purged right over here, right when this candle purges out this low, this candle closes bullish. This low should not be souped again because this candle's helped it out, and now be this would be the low of the CISD, right? The low of the CISD. Now this low gets purged out, that would no longer be considered as a CISD for me, right? Some people, this would still be considered a CISD. For me, no. So as I said, I'm looking for a clear, high probability. I'm saying clear, high probability, fucking CISD, whatever, right? Okay, so do we this be considered our key level as well, right? Do we have, yeah, I'm not gonna go all the way fucking back there to look for a key level. See that this one right here would be considered our key level as well. Damn, it's all the way fucking back here. What's your criteria for CISD? It must be clear. This is not clear because these bearish candles, right, are helping it purge out this liquidity, right? This low. These bearish candles are helping it purge out this liquidity, right? Right when he makes this low is considered to be the low of the CISD, and the market shoots out this low and goes back above and creates a CISD. That to me will not be considered as a CISD, right? I'm looking for clear ones, right? I'm looking for the one that purchases liquidity, that purchases CRT, right? In this case, this one does purchase out liquidity, right? This one does purchase out liquidity. It does tap a key level, and it did super CRT low, but it's the CISD itself is not a clear one, right? So I won't be counting this as a CISD. I'll just wait for the next, candle. I might not take a trade, or I might take a trade, right? It all depends like that, right? Today, there's not a lot of narrative here. There's not a lot of narrative. There's no daily ranges here. There's no ranges here. So it'd be considered a lower probability day because market has met its goal for the week. Today will be considered a little bit more tricky day to trade. But, as you guys know, we could handle it, right? As long as we lose, even if we lose in this day, as long as we can improve and be better, that's all I care about, right? And today I'm getting a haircut, bro. I'm gonna give me a mullet, bro. My shit was clad, bro, Chad. My shit was clad, man. Damn it. I'm gonna give myself a mullet today, bro. My shit was clad. All right. We have no daily ranges. We have no ranges. We have a New York reversal profile 1, 5. This is profile 2. No, 1. 5 a.m. is the accumulation, 9 a.m. is the manipulation, 1 p.m. is the expansion. We have a weekly profile, which is a classic expansion week profile 1. Monday making the high of the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday continue to move the downside. Eventually hitting the drawn liquidity on Thursday. Thursday can be a small reversal, and Friday is going to be a big expansion reversal, right? The money said it's caution. Yeah, bro, it's very cautious today, man. Chat. All I'm gonna say, if one of my crypto meme coins hits like 300 million in market cap, I'm making a huge amount of bag, bro. I'm making huge bag. If it's a billion, oh yeah. Retirement. If it is a billion, chat, I'm never working again, bro. All I'm doing is just gonna be sticking to my business right up here, bro. Probably won't me go to a fucking 100 million, bro. That shit's tripping right now, dog. Is at 20, I think 27 million right now. I got in at 18 million. What, 1,000? Hey, with $1,000 and 15 million, hey, I like that. Hey, that's a good entry. Good entry. Good entry. That's all I can say. But it will like high likely go to zero. I'm not gonna lie. This is the meme coin is fucking kind of ass. But I don't really care because that money. Hey man, I accept the risk of losing that money. I accept the risk I put on the table. Everything is accepted. Everything I do is calculated. But it is simple, right? Now let's go over our whole time frame, our whole objective for the day. Weekly ERL to IRL, daily ERL to IRL, daily weekly classic expansion profile 2, Monday making the high of the week, Tuesday continuing, and Tuesday continuing, and Thursday meeting the draw on liquidity. So Thursday going to be a small reversal. Eventually Friday is going to be another retracement to end of the weekly candle. So we're looking for bullishness here, right? So we have a weekly profile narrative here as well. You can see Thursday did a little reversal back to the upside, as well as Friday. You play with Bitcoin anytime or nah? I have USDT sitting down in my Mexico trying to play it as well. I mean, if you want to play with Bitcoin right now, the recent call out I gave, in my Bitcoin call out, you would have been up right now if you would have taken it right over here. CISD entry. You would have waited till this candle right over here. This is based out of the weekly, right? I personally got into the trade as well. I can't do leverage, right? I can't put that much. So my money, I won't make that much, right? If you're a leverage player, I got in right over here. I didn't even see the market dump down a lot, right? But I saw this getting respected, right? I was like, okay, I'm entering right over here. This candle or one of these candles, right? I entered out on here. Eventually, I'm up right now, but bro, it's not leveraged, so I'm barely gonna make shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna make a couple of hundreds, right? No, not maybe 100, not a couple of hundreds, bro. Like $100 probably. But from here to here is like what? With $1,000? Oh, no, I think 1,500 somewhere around there. I'm not gonna make that much. Like from here, let's just say the initial entry, right? From here to the all-time high. $50% gain. I'm not gonna make that much from this. Not gonna lie. I may make some. I may make like, let's just say $200, but not that much. I was gonna take those buys too, but where is it heading to? Didn't make sense to me. Would make sense if this POY for reversals to the top again. What do you mean by that? Can you say that again? Point of interest. Okay. Okay. The reason I took this long is very simple, bro. Weekly is in a bullish trend, right? Weekly is in a bullish trend overall, right? So weekly order flow is bullish. We're in a bull run. We tapped a rejection. No, right here. This considered as a rejection block would be considered as a key level, right? And what else do we have here on the daily? This is January, right? January is usually a bullish month. I can even check it right now. Is January a bullish month? Initially, I have put the sauce out in the Discord as well on the months that are bullish or bearish, right? Like that seasonal tendencies, but for crypto. Let me see. Crypto freeze right over here. January is usually a bullish. I mean, it's a small percentage gain. It's not that much of bullishness, but usually at the start of the month is usually bearish, but eventually ends up to be a bullish month. But yeah, it makes sense to me a little bit. I had a monthly narrative to this too. I'm looking to cash out at 100K, not cash out fully, but take out some profits, be break even, let the runners run. But yeah, not that much, bro. But this right over here, bro, if this goes up, oh, is that right now? Oh shit, it dropped down even more. It's crazy. But if this goes up, man, I'm making a bag here. Drop back down even more. I mean, that would make sense because it's a meme coin, right? So it makes sense for the market to fuck around a lot. But I'm just waiting for the all season, bro. I'm just waiting for the all season to start. Then eventually go on from there. And my previous last call out that I gave you guys, which was from this Bitcoin right over here, this daily chart, right? Daily Bitcoin analysis that I give you guys from out of here. This one has already met its goal for the, you already made the 50%, right? So to the traders who did not profit, you would be in a loss right now if you did not profit, because 50% is a take profit as well, right? 50% right here is a take profit as well. So yeah, that one I made money, then not that much, bro. Fucking $40, bro. Because that 40%, that 50% mark was still such a close TP, right? So I couldn't make shit. But yeah. Let's get to our trading here. Let's not get off topic. Let's stick to what we got right now. So weekly ERL to IRL, daily, weekly, daily ERL to IRL, weekly classic expansion week profile. 2 Monday making high of the week, Thursday hitting the drawn liquidity, and Thursday doing a little reversal, as well as Friday, and ending off the weekly range. 4-hour no daily range, no CRT range. We in the 4-hour time frame, we don't have no dealing range here. No ranges. This is our dynamic range. All we got is a daily profile, which is New York reversal profile. 5 a.m. accumulation, 9 a.m. manipulation, and 1 p.m. expansion. Right? And yeah, I'm looking to enter the trade out of the hourly as well. If this hourly can give me an entry here, the 8 a.m. candle, I'm looking for advanced entry here as well. But before, one more thing we gotta look at, right, is this mean price. Let's see if we got any mean here, right? This range to this range. Okay. We need a -2 to -2.5. So this should be the low of the week. This should be the low of the day right over here, right? So that should be correct here. We should this reversal should be looking like nice. Okay, the -2 to -2.5 is right around here. So we're in a good position right over here. This right over here should make the low of the day. Because we're looking for a negative reversal, right? A negative reversal usually makes the low of the day. But the key level is a problem here, right? Do we have any key level? This weekly ERL could be played like key level right over here. Yeah, so we're gonna count the weekly ERL as our key level because we don't got not much. I mean, we go to the daily and look for a key level here, but okay. So we're on weekly time, and on the daily time we get a rejection block right over here as our key level. Okay, so we're fine. We're fine on that. We're fine on that. Now we can look for a new reversal here. Let's go to 15 time frame to our time frame. Market profile and market opened. Market retraced, expanded, accumulated, manipulated, expanded, retrace, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, reversal here again. They're doing another reversal from here, doing a little retracement, tapping a key level, tapping the entry here, a little retracement, another expansion, another retracement. Did not close above this retracement right over here, so another expansion, another retracement, another expansion, another retracement, which is all over here, another expansion, and we can get another expansion, we just got another retracement right here. We can get another expansion, tapping a key level, which is what I've already tapped into, and then we get a reversal here, right? But it really is there today. We don't have that much narrative today, so it's kind of gay, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, not enough POI. I mean, not POI. Oh my god. I mean, yeah, POI. Yeah, not enough like narrative for us to look for any good, thing here today. So today will be considered as a less probability time, but let's see how it goes though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the bias today. And as well as 4-hour ERL to IRL right over here. That's how we're going the 4-hour time frame too. So some extra your context here. You see how this model number one got kind of, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you need to have a clear TISD. If it's not clear, if it's not simple, I don't want it, man. We did this guy name. I hate this fucking. Yeah, that looks better. This looks better. That looks like a better name. Okay. But yeah, chat. Okay, so the market can open right now. Now let's do a whole another top-down analysis to get it to our brain, so to what we're looking for. Monthly scheduled key has been met, and now we're looking for longs here. Monthly ERL, IRL to ERL. Weekly ERL to IRL. Daily IRL to ERL. Weekly classic expansion profile 1, no 2. Monday making the high of the week. Thursday making meeting the draw liquidity and reversing, and so as Friday. Doing the reason I say reversal, doing like little retracement out of reversal, right? Closing the classic, making a reset on the open high low close concept of the weekly time frame. So doing a little retracement to end of the weekly candle. On the 4-hour time frame, we have no daily range, we have no classic expansion, we don't have no ranges here. We have a 4-hour ERL as well. This could be played. This is a 4-hour ERL as well. So we got a 4-hour ERL to IRL, right? We have a 4-hour CRT. We have a New York reversal profile to 5 a.m. I mean 5 a.m. is the candle. 5 a.m. is the accumulation. 9 a.m. is the manipulation, and 1 p.m. is the expansion. Why I'm looking for a New York reversal profile here? If I'm bullish in this case, because market made a weekly objective goal, right? So I'm looking for reverses back to the upside, right? I disagree with this being the high of the week. This does not mean I'm gonna go all over here to take profit. I'm gonna go based out of my CRT, right? So I disagree with this being the high. If I'm bullish in this case, I would want the agent to make the high of the. I would want agent to make the high of the. I mean low of the day, not the high of the day, right? Because I'm bullish in this case, right? And agent session, I mean London session as well. In this case, I just made the half day, which I disagree with, right? Because I'm bullish in this case, and my narrative is on a higher time frame bullish. And you can see how for a New York reversal profile, the Asian session high and the New York session high, I mean, Asian session high and London high should be protected. In this case, it is protected. Sometimes the London will not get protected, but it's still going to be valid because if Asian session gets disrespected, then it's going to be likely a New York reversal profile there. And we have already met. So what's our 4-hour key level? For our 4-hour key level, this is ERL. What's our hourly key level for this hourly CRT right over here that we're using? Our hourly CRT for this, our hourly CRT key level is the sell liquidity as well as this ERL. Because we don't have no key level. I'm not gonna go all the way back there just to look for a kilo, right? It wouldn't make sense, right? So we have a daily projection block, right? So now we'll go for 15 minute. You can see market super the low over here. And you can see how this is not a clear CISD. I'm going to be going based out of the hourly, not the 15-minute. The reason I'm going based out of the hourly, not the 15-minute. I mean, the reason I'm going based out of the hourly, not the 4-hour time frame, is because we have an hourly CRT here as well. You can see 4-hour CRT and hourly CRT. So I'm basically going out of 5-minute entry instead of 15-minute, right? Was there legitimate low that got purged right over here? Bearish bullish candle. Bearish bullish, right? So the market purged at the bearish bullish candle. And our buying position would be slightly above the opening price. Let's see if we can get a close. Let's see if we can get an entry below the open high low close concept. That would be fire. But yeah, I'm looking for a New York reversal profile here. Let's see what's cooking here though. But today is going to be a less probability day here though. Let's see, regardless. Why am I looking for a hourly CRT here as well? The reason I'm looking for an hourly CRT because the 8 a.m. candle is a high probability candle of a CRT, so it could be you could be having an advanced entry on the 5-minute instead of the 15-minute. And on the 15-minute, you can see we do not have a legitimate low. This candle, this bearish candle right over here, that's the low of this candle right over here. It's not a legitimate low, right? It's not a bearish bullish candle. It's a bullish candle, right? Which I'm looking for 15-minute CISD entry. I'm not going to be entering this until another low gets purged out. So another low gets created and gets purged out, right? But that might cause us to lose in this case, but let's see how that go, because I have never had that. I've never had that problem until now. So let's see how we're gonna deal with it and how we're gonna improve. Losses are the part of the process. Losses are part of the game. Losses are meant to be making you better. And yeah. And Mr. Juice, my boy, Benny. Oh, that's a cool ass name, man. You guys got some cool ass fucking names, dog. Mr. Juice. Oh man, fortunate. You gonna catch you next time, brother. You chillin'. Okay, so this let's do this model number one is what we're looking for right over here. So on this. Okay, we're going for this is low-key unrealistic. As I said, today is probably gonna be a lower probability day for us winning a trade because such a low narrative onto this trade. But yeah. $8 RR, we're risking 4.8. That's really unrealistic, but hey, Okay, so 4.8 pip stop loss here. Let me just calculate it if we do get the entry here. 8 pip stop loss. Okay. Okay, yeah, that would be unrealistic right over there. So let's see if market gets another bigger CISD here. Bigger candle, the bigger sell stop. Oops. Oh. Yeah, this is the big ass fucking range, so we do need a reversal here. We do need like a quick push back up, close the weekly range. We need to close the weekly range, man. What are you doing? What is that video, man? We got the timing of the purge too. What was the time of the purge at 9 a.m.? So 9 to 10:30 a.m. is a good time of a purge. So do we meet our requirements? Do we meet our key level? It's right over here. Boom. Do we meet our CRT? It's right over here. We're looking for nigga Russell profile. 5 a.m. accumulation, 9 a.m. manipulation, and 10 a.m. 1 p.m. expansion. I mean, do we have the right time of the purge? Yes, 9 a.m. And last thing is there a legitimate low there? Yes, we do got a legitimate low right over here. Review one. There is a rejection block right over here with the fair value gap. So yeah. Putting that right down there just to make sure if that could potentially cause a reversal there. So on the monthly 15 profile market. Retracement expansion, retracement expansion, reversal, retracement expansion, retracement expansion, retracement. I mean reversal. Having another key level right over there. Another reversal back to the downside. Another retracement expansion, retracement expansion, retracement expansion, retracement expansion, retracement right over here. Another expansion. Tapping another key level, which is the CRT low, which could be played as a reversal back here, but let's see what's cooking here though. Let's see if they're gonna see EURUSD here. The news has already came, so this should be a smoother price action as well. Tomorrow we got, I think, PMI. Let me see PMI tomorrow. So tomorrow, 10 a.m., which we got the next news. What's good, my boy? Asfer Anamul and Amul. What's good, Chi? What's good, my bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my brother? It's good, man. It looks like we have SMT right over here with a correlated pair, which is GU. GU looks like to be a correlated. Looks like to be an SMT with GU here. Let's see. We got SMT with GU. I want to be trading the pair to purchase liquidity, so that's the good thing right over here. You do crypto? Not that much, brother. Just some investment. Not that much. I do take some trades. Recent trade was a 125x return, which was another word like a 6,300% gain. Not that much, bro. Not focusing on crypto too much at the moment right now. Just my more normal trading. I need to gather more capital. Then we do our boy. On 5, okay. So let's see if we got a candle closure here above here too. So I'm looking to enter this trade. If it does close above, and if we lose, it's just part of the process. This look like everything is met. If this goes on a loss, it goes on a loss. But our main focus should be focusing on building good habits, prioritizing mastering the skill over profits. And our buying position could potentially be right at the open of the price or right at the low of the price. You can see market rate right when the market opened, it just went down, right? That's a good thing because that means we should be buying below the opening price, right? And yeah, just waiting now. But this as well could go back down, but I have to wait for the confirmation here, and market has not closed above it, so we're just chilling here. We are just chilling, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to do forex, but my set stop hit manipulation. Give me some advice, bro. Watch my ETU CRT free. ETU Mastermind CRT free bootcamp, brother. It's being published right now. It's chapter 1 has already been published. Chapter 2 comes out tomorrow. And just keep on that in mind. That should help you out with your, you know what I'm saying, with your trading, bro. Because that talks about concepts that are really high probability that actually drives the market, and it helps you stop taking trades and stop have a higher chance of actually winning rather than losing, right? Because the probability that's the concept I'm teaching are really high probability concepts, right? And those in the CRT Mastermind Bootcamp, it will talk about time frame selection, which can help you with your sell stop manipulation, right? So it can help you get in the right time frame entries. In this case, I'm taking the 5 minute instead of the 15 minute. The reason I'm doing 15 minutes, the reason I'm doing 5 minutes instead of the 15 minute, we got an hourly CRT here as well. So that's the reason, right? And the ETU free Mastermind CRT Bootcamp will talk about all of the good stuff. You're cooking on gold, yes, sirski. I'm just waiting for the CISD to perform here. So let's see if the CISD will be here. If not, then it's cool. Yeah, less likely to be a CISD here. But can market potentially make a bullish candle, eventually push right back down here, which that should make a 15-minute issue. That should cause a 15-minute CISD to happen as well. This is right here. This is what I like right over here. This move right here. This is what I like. Market's moving a little bit faster here now. Market just published the news, which is very nice. This is 8:30 news, right? Yeah, 8:30 a.m. candle low. Okay, that's nice. Going for a potential 6.8 RR here. But this could definitely go on a loss. With the focus on the process, focus on building good habits. Have to stay present. We have to accept losses as the business expense. Accept losses as part of the process. Know that we should be focused on the long term rather than short term expectation, short term unaccepted outcomes, right? So short term desires, we should focus on the long term rather than short term desires, right? So short term desires should be not the way, right? Short term be like, oh, this is 6RR, let's make money, we're gonna make a lot of money out of this, right? The long term will play against us, right? So which is not great. So we should not be focusing on that. Market close above the body, which I'm not gonna take this as CISD. The market just tapped the body of this candle. I'm not looking at it to enter the trade. Did you take the trade? Not yet, brother. I'm waiting for this candle to close. But the market tapped this body right over here. I'm not looking to trade this candle. I'm not looking to trade this candle. Yep, I'm not trading this candle until the market prices out another liquidity here. The reason I'm not doing that because as you guys know, I don't use the body unless there's a consecutive candle and unless the market closes above one or above one of the consecutive candles full range. Then I could use a body. In this case, no. But there's a lower probability of a CISD, right? Which I don't like to take. I want to take the higher probability of a trade here. But some people, that could be a potential trade right over there. But tell about XRP, please. Man, fuck XRP, man. That's so, bro. Hey, I mean, let's focus on our trading here. Eventually, we're gonna get to crypto right now. No crypto, brother. All I can say, fuck XRP, man. People will be glazing that shit. These not gonna go to hundreds of dollars. People say it's gonna go to 10,000. That's the crazy part. Hey, man, good luck, bro. You need to build that. You need to at least have a 3 trillion market cap to even go to 1,000 per XRP. Not even 1,000, like 100 XRP would probably cost you 1 trillion market cap. Yeah, hell no, G. I'm not taking a trade because market tapped the body instead of the wick. Yay. That could be a potential SMT here, but let's see now, man. I'm just waiting for another purge of liquidity here. Did I mention looking for an entry here? But as of right now, I'm not looking for no entry because market tapped the body. You guys know I'm not looking for it. 9 5-minute or 9 15 5-minute, which has a higher probability candle? I mean, they're both the same thing, bro. They both are high probability here, but the thing is that they're consecutive, right? So this candle is below this candle. So this candle, this right when the market closes above this candle, you're validated, right? But if it doesn't close above this candle, it's not valid. But they're both the same high probability candle. Yes, this candle was the candle that stabbed into it, but guess what? This candle pushed down even lower, right? So this candle was pushing even lower. So this week you would they both matter, you know what I'm saying? They both have the same probabilities. But yeah, some people will take it straight. I'm not gonna take it straight. I'm gonna wait for the higher probability. This is why I fucking hate sometimes this candles like this. Yikes. Yikes. This might not reverse back down here though. As you guys know, the last time we lost was because of this fucking me taking the lower probability of a CIZ, and that cost me a dumb loss, but yeah, it's cool. Now we just what's the charts of the market gonna push back down or not? The reason I don't take the body out of the first consecutive candle, yes, this will give you like a huge amount of RR here. You could probably get like an 8 RR on this, right? This trade would be an 8 RR if you decide to take out the body, right? You know, that would be such a well saw stop there, right? You go for an 8 RR, right? But the RR is way higher than a wick, but the win rate is lower though. So that's the part of it though, right? And we want to be taking the higher probability, which is either a full candle range close or a consecutive candle closure above or below. In this case, if you would have entered that trade, you would have already been up here. You would have already been up, I think, 1 RR in this trade. But let's see. But yeah, the reason we're looking for long here is because weekly ERL to this would be unrealistic to go back down there. Weekly ERL to IRL, daily ERL to IRL. Thursday hitting the weekly objective, so Thursday could be a little reversal. Friday as well, and slash retracement. We have a 4-hour CRT. We have a New York reversal profile because I just forget with this being the high of the day. If I'm bullish in this case, I want this to be the low of the day, not the high of the day. Go for 4-hour ERL to IRL. Hourly CRT to the upside as well. Yeah. I put my TP on the hourly CRT high. Yeah. Okay. That sounds nice. That's so nice. If I take profit on this, would be all over here, right? I mean, potentially not over here because I'm risking 2%, right? I'm doing this right now on a challenge account, right? Because this trade if this goes back down here and offers me a good amount of RR, I'm probably gonna pass the funded in one trade here, and I'm going for a potential like 6 RR that could give me another funded here. But I'm trying to compound right now. I'm trying to compound. I'm at 150K, trying to get another 50K on this next couple weeks of doing a 2% rigs, doing the funded count model. 15 minutes, yeah, as you look good for entry. Hey man, you could enter that trade, but to me, the 15-minute CISD is there's no legitimate low that you purge, right? The CISD has to purge out a legitimate low, right? In this case, it's not purge out low, but this does look like to be a swing low, right? You can see a swing low. So yeah, that as well could be a low right over here. I might take this trade, but market tap the, you know what I'm saying? Tap the body of this candle, which is goes against my rules, right? I want to be careful on that, right? But if 15 CISD definitely does look good because but there is no legitimate low. I want to legitimate it like a bearish bullish candle because I had times where market would create a swing high or swing low and as well will disrespect it and make it do another soup eventually go down, right? Which I said highest probability is what we want, right? But this does look like a swing low. You can see this the middle candle is below this the first candle, and this candle is above this one. The closing above it, right? All of the wick is below it, but the closing is above it, right? Making it a swing low. Um, or we're going for a 5 pip PP 8.4. Let me just see if this could go to the calculation if I ever take it. But yeah, let's see. This I've never had a scenario with a swing low though. Oopsie. Let's see though. Am I enter this or am I not? Should I? Because it's not a legitimate low here though. That's the problem. That's the only problem I'm having here. But my take profit would still be this hourly CRT high, this this other hourly 40 fucking 50% of this 4-hour CRT and this other one right over here. Although our initial entry, which is down here, which hit the body, that should have been our entry, but let's see here. I may enter this. Actually, let's find out. Actually, I'm going to risk 1% on this trade. Actually, I'm going to de-risk on this trade since I have never messed out with since I have never encountered a fucking swing low of a purge. I'm going to de-risk, right? Because this is my first time encountering it. So the 15-minute CID gets tapped. I'm looking for entry there. So after de-risk here, on de-risking, I'm going to risk to 0.50% instead of 1%. We're going for a good amount of RR here as well. So yeah. Okay, so risking 0.50%. That's the stop loss. Yeah, this is a swing low. How does a swing low? This bearish candle, the middle candle is above the first candle right over here, and this candle closed above it, so that would be considered still as a CISD because this would be considered as a CRT here as well. But if you guys know, every swing point is usually a CRT. Yeah, so when the CISD gets tapped, I'm looking for entry here. If this hits my take profit, I'm not looking for no TP. I'm not looking for no entries here. You waiting for entry tab? Yes, sir. Me too, brother. The losses are part of the game. This could go on a loss, could go on a win, go whatever you want to go to. But I'm taking out a 40% partial here, 30% partial here, and another 30% partial here. Let's see what's cooking here, though. Let's see what's cooking here. You see how I was looking for a 5-minute instead of 15-minute, right? If I would have 15-minute, right, I would have had a major difference on RR. That's why when I go, that's why you guys want to see me in the on the New York session. I'm using the 5-minute time frame. Usually first, eventually 15-minute, but most of the time 5-minute. Sometimes not. Sometimes 15-minute. It all depends if the hourly candle is there or not, right? In this case, the reason I was looking for a 5-minute is to get a better RR, a better entry, advanced entry to the long position here, right? But the long position was invalidated because this CISD right over here was this 5-minute CISD was a fucking body, sort of a full candle, right? But we're looking for 15-minute now because, you know what I'm saying, we can't use the 5-minute no more, right? Because sometimes I can go up here to push it out. So that's why we're using the 15-minute to use the higher time frame confirmation here, right? And on the 15-minute, we have a swing low, which is a low as well. It's not a random low, it's a swing low. But if it does get tapped, I'm gonna get in. I'm de-risking though. I'm risking 0.50%. The reason I'm risking 0.50%, I've never dealt with a swing low. So now I'm being more accountable. You can see how I am de-risking because I have never been in that position, right? This is called being calculated, right? That's another word that's called being calculated. Damn it, bro. My English kind of fucked up. But yeah, I'm just waiting for that entry to get tapped, and I'm looking for a long here. And am I risking the right amount? 8.4 pips stop loss, 8.4 pips stop loss. I'm risking 0.50%, $250. Okay. You are ready. You already. Yeah, losses are part of the process. Losses are part of the business expense. Losses are natural part of trading. Should always accept losses. After this, I'm gonna go take a little piss, and I'll be right back because I gotta take a piss. I'm just waiting for my entry here, which is at 147. 147. T-Miss CIZ that tapped the CRT low that was already in a key level, so it already has pressed out liquidity. Okay, so he has met his requirements and he closed above. It's a Pacific time, which is at 9 a.m. Okay. I'm in this long right over here at 40. And if it does go on a loss, I'm DX as I said. So if it does go on a loss, next time we're gonna find out to not take a swing low. We're gonna take a legitimate low, which is a bearish or bullish candle. If it's not one of that, we don't enter. 0.63, 0.6. 30, 0, 1.030, 63, 1.03, 60. Okay, so stop loss is set. TP is at hourly. Nah, this looks low probability. Hey man, you're gonna have to find out, brother. I'm in. I don't really care because I'm de-risking, right? As you can see, instead of risking 1%, I de-risk at 0.50%, right? So now if I lose a trade, guess what? I'm paying a lower price, right? I'm paying a lower price to learn, right? So I'm not paying too much of a higher price, right? So that's why you guys want to be, you know what I'm saying, playing around with your psychology and fixing it, right? Now you're doubting yourself about that strategy, right? Now you're doubting about yourself about anything, right? You take action because losses. Let's say this will probably go on a loss. Let's say this goes on a loss, right? Losses are part of the process, right? Losses are meant to be a area for improvement. Losses are meant to be an area for a uncomfortable zone. So it's meant to be making you go for a improvement, right? It's meant to make you improve rather than make you, be worse, right? I have never seen a loss as a way to be like, oh, I'm ass, oh, I'm bad, oh, I'm bad at trading, I'm bad at this, I'm bad at that. I'm never gonna become profitable. I see it as an area to improve. I see it as an area to be uncomfortable. As you guys know, we're comfortable, right? So a area as a uncomfortable area are the areas where we want to be evolving the most, right? Where we are going to evolve and grow the most. So uncomfortable positions, which is losses in this trading, in trading, right? The uncomfortable positions, the uncomfortable growth zone area is losing. Taking trades are uncomfortable positions they could be, right? Taking a loss, you are comfortable, right? They are the area where you can grow the most. And yeah, simple as that. But yeah, if I lose a trade, I will know why I lost a trade. But it's based on the probabilities, man. So 5713, 5713, 3571. So I'm going for a 3571. 3571. I want to make a couple sure because sometimes I put the wrong TP and I fucking get cooked. 3571. Okay, 3571 and a 0360, 063. Salam, how you doing, brother? Wa alaikum assalam. Alhamdulillah, how you doing, my brother? And yeah, chat. We're in this trade. Let this trade right, and whatever it goes, where it goes to. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go get a cup of water, and I gotta go feed the cats. Hold up. I'll be right back, chat. I'll be right back. This is good. This is good. Market is actually moving. Moving the wrong side though. Alhamdulillah, bro. Just counting my blessings. Yes, sir. Ski. Assalamu alaikum, ikhwana. Wait, ikhwan. Wa alaikum assalam. How you doing, my brother? Ikhwan. What does that mean, brother? I'm not Arabic, but I'm a Chinese fucker. I'm just playing chat. This is good though, because there's a lot of volume in the market, but it's going the wrong side though. Hey, I de-risked on this trade. I found out, we lose, but I'm de-risking on this trade because many regions. Oh, brothers, Ikhwan, hey, it's a good ass name. It's a good ass, Arabic letter, Arabic word. Good, bro. Alhamdulillah. Yes, sir. Al-Mubarak, man. Glad you're doing great. Glad you're doing great, man. Just waiting. We're now just waiting for a stop loss or a TP. Okay, so GU has purged it out too, so that's good. Akhi, I made hella money from Bitcoin recently. Alhamdulillah, gonna put some to live trading. Yes, sir, ski. I made hella bread from some other stuff too, some meme coins, man. And my crypto, I mean that like in Bitcoin, I don't make that much because I can't do leverage, bro. It's crazy. But my meme coin, the low caps, bro. Oh, recently hit a 125x, right? Recently hit 125x. Guess what happened, bro? I put in the wrong amount. MashaAllah, bro. May Allah put barakah into our equity curves this year, inshallah. Ameen, brother. But my meme coin, right? 125x, right? No, 130x, because they gave me less because of they took 300% gain, right? But guess what? I was gonna put in 3,000, right? I was gonna put in 3,000. The money went to the wrong account, so I was like, okay. They put $1. Eventually, that $1 went to 125x, but I had an insider info. The wrong amount. Nah, bro, I put the money in the wrong account. Some fucking scammer put their contract address, right? Eventually, I thought that was my address. I put it there. They went to their account. So yeah, it's crazy though. But they were sending me fucking one cent fucking meme coins, bro. I don't know why. They caught me lacking, bro. It's crazy. My coin 125x. Yeah. Damn, that's unlucky, man. Hey, I mean that's not unlucky, bro. That's a way to improve, right? Now I gotta double check. Gotta see the contract. I gotta read it by letter, bro. Even on this, if even if this goes at a loss, it's not gonna be a loss. It's going to be an area for improvement, right? And that's why in this trade I have D-Rigs, so it doesn't really matter, right? How much would have you made if there were for the 3K was in 300 plus K? Not that much. I've had more opportunities making like 700K, but yeah. 700K, I couldn't even take it because it was a fucking leverage, bro. Fuck, bro. The coin supported, fucking, what was it? What was the thing called? Riba? No. Yeah, Riba and, what was the other thing called? Lending and borrowing, so I couldn't take it. So, but that would have been a 700K profit. This was the second chance, but this one, bro, oh my god, bro. Guess how much money I put on the on the 125x, 125x, right? I only put fucking $1, bro. Crazy. Cause I had an insider, right? I was like, my friend, the guy that gave me the insider info was one of my friends, right? So he hooked me up, but kind of fucked up. I kind of fucked up. This what I'm talking about, chat. This is why I hate crypto, bro. I hate crypto. If crypto is not a, if you don't have enough followers, if you don't have insider info, don't trade crypto, bro. Don't trade meme coins, especially. Oh my god, bro. I made 125x from an insider. First insider info ever. I made 125x, right? I'm wondering why am I losing in my other coins because I don't have insiders. So if you don't have like a large amount of followings, people don't give a fuck about you, bro. Oh my god. If you have influence in like social media, bro, they're gonna be giving you access left and right, bro. But you're gonna make so much that the money won't be needed anymore. But that's unfair to the people who are, you know, saying doing their research, not having their, you know, saying their insider info as well. But hey, man, that's how it gotta work. I don't even touch meme coins. I didn't think it was halal until I just heard you trade it now. I mean, every coin is halal, bro. Bitcoin is it's a digital money, right? Digital, right? I could put a ass, and it could be called as a digital money, right? I mean, the same thing as a dollar, but like, you know, it's like dollarization, but in digital, right? So yeah, it's the same thing as Bitcoin. But I'm not hungry like, oh, let me go trade meme because make me make millions of dollars. I don't even care, bro. I just see opportunities. If there's opportunities I can take, I'm gonna take it. If the opportunity goes on a loss, it goes on a loss. But guess what? The opportunity is gonna let me improve and better, right? In life, you're gonna have multiple opportunities, right? Right over here, it's opportunity to improve, right? Because the reason I could potentially lose the trade because you know it is not a legitimate low, right? So there's areas I can improve, right? This position going to loss right over here right now. And yeah, man, that's how we can improve. And it just hit stop loss right over here. My brother made hella bread from meme coin, call it Diddy Limo. Oh my god, that meme coin was that meme coin rugged, bro. I was gonna buy it a long time ago, but it rugged. But it got rugged though. Eventually, I think it was at 5 million. Eventually, just dropped down to way more. I was like, damn, I'm not buying that shit. But I stopped doing this meme coin shit. I'll just do it like sometimes when I do have an insider info. If I don't have insider info, I don't do that shit. And it just hit stop loss as well. Let's see what's happened. Let's see what happens. See what happens. I'm done for the day, but yeah, it could be an area improving right now. We could talk about it. And yeah, let's see. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I don't take the body, right? This is what I'm talking about. I don't take the body because of this main solely reason. Bull market is essentially over in my opinions. I mean, to me, bro, bull market is not over yet. I'm still in this one trade in Bitcoin. This right here, I'm still looking for longs here. I'm still looking for longs to the upside. I feel like a little bit more. I feel like a little bit more to the upside. Eventually, we can get a sell stop. I mean, eventually, a little bit more upside. I think around fucking wait. I'm in the wrong time frame, bro. I'm looking at the wrong time frame. Oh yeah, I'm starting this trade right over here. I'm looking for another all-time high. After this all-time high, I'm looking for a like 110K price point. Eventually, I'm out of the bull run, right? I'm just waiting for the old season to start. That's all I'm waiting, right? Screenshot and journal, brother. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. My trade recap is going to be my journaling for today. And I know what I did wrong here. I literally I fixed it. I could fix it right now. I know what I did wrong here. So yeah, I'm chilling. And as well as I knew what could have been the mistake, and so I de-risked, right? So that's the good part as well. And yeah, let's make the video here. Let's do the journaling here now. turn off that video real quick because I'm playing a video right now. So this is trade breakdown in EU. That truck I took. Oh my god, that was the, oh my god, that was the most Indian shit I've ever said, bro. Oh my goodness. Hey, let me delete that, bro. This is my trade breakdown in EU. I took on 1/2/2024. 2025, I mean, not 2024. It was a loss, and let's go over a top-down analysis to why I took this trade. Weekly ERL to IRL. Weekly, no, that's it, right? So daily ERL to IRL. Weekly profile, classic expansion week, profile 2. Monday, high of the week. Tuesday, continuing. Wednesday, continuing. Thursday, meeting the drawn liquidity. So Thursday, we can have a potential little reversal / Friday retracement, right? So Thursday and Friday should be a little retracement / reversals. Eventually, onto the next week, right? So that's why I had my daily profile. That's why I have my weekly profile. Now let's get us to 4-hour time frame. Today, there was not a lot of narrative to this, right? There's not a lot of narrative to this trade right over here. The reason there was not a lot of narrative to this trade was because of there was no daily range. There's no ranges here. So today would have been considered a lower probability. So I de-risked on it today, right? And yeah. 4-hour CRT, you can see right over here. Hourly CRT as well. And our 4-hour time frame ERL to IRL. So as I said, there's not a lot of narrative to this, right? So now let's go to the 15-minute time frame and talk about why we took this trade. On the 5-minute, we had a body closure, right? You can see a body closure above this candle. Market had the bodies of the wick, right? And market did not close above the full range. So that, or the 5-minute time frame, I would have not taken this trade, right? But on 15-minute, you can see right over here, this would be a swing low, right? But guess what? Out of that right there is not a legitimate low, which has to be a bearish bullish candle or a bullish bearish candle, right? For a buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, right? In this case, this was not a bullish bearish, it was a bullish candle, right? And I've already noted that down. So on this trade, I de-risked, right? I de-risked on this trade. I knew it was like, this could potentially happen. So let me de-risk because now I know the area is proven. Now I know to not take a swing low or swing high. Just stick to legitimate high or low. If it's not legitimate high or low, do not take it. It can't be a swing high. It can't be some fucking random patterns. It has to be a legitimate high or low, right? It can't be a swing, right? So on this trade, I de-risked, right? Instead of risking 1%, I risked 0.50%, right? And I sell stop right over here. Top loss got hit, TP1, TP2, and TP3 right over there. And yeah, what was the area for improvement? What can we learn from this loss? Is to only take legitimate low or high, because as you guys know, if you guys been back on my live stream before, where the market does not have a legitimate low or high at the end of the CRT, we cannot take it because market will likely go press out another low that creates it, right? So if this low gets created, right, market will likely go back up, doing a little confusion and pushing back down, right? And as well as market profile, this could have been a retracement, right? Expansion, and another little retracement, another expansion. So basically confusing us into taking a loss, right? But it's a very area for improvement. The reason we took an area for improvement here is to stick to legitimate low or high, which is a bearish bullish candle or a bullish bearish candle, right? In this case, this was swing low or swing high. This is my first time ever countering it, right? Now I know to not make this mistake again, right? Now I've already wrote it down. I've already wrote this rule down, but I have never encountered a swing low or swing high. So this is why I put this down right now. Now this is why I de-risked and found out, right? And yeah, this is my trade recap. That's the area for improvement. I've already wrote it down. I have already journaled it. Now next time, I will never use a swing high or swing low. I will stick to legitimate highs or lows of a purge of the end of CRT. There's not at the end of the CRT. There's not legitimate high or low. I'll not take it as I will not call it my CRT. Same with the model one. No, model number one. There must be a full candle closure above or below the candle. If it's not that, I can't use it, right? I can only use the body if there's a consecutive candle and the market has already closed above or below one of the consecutive candles full range. Eventually, the next consecutive candle closes above the body or below the body. it's fine. I could use the body. If it's not one of those scenarios, can't use it, right? But yeah, that's my trade recap. Took a loss, and yeah. I wanted to get a. My bad, my bad. You said you wanted to get a car, but insurance in England is crazy, Achi. Oh man, that's crazy, bro. Do you want to use? Do you use SMT confirmation? Yes, I do, brother. Actually, there was no SMT here. Market pressure is lower as well, and let's see if there's SMT here as well. Yeah, there's no SMT to the downside or upside, right? There's no SMT in this play right over here. Took longs, bro. So you took a stab. Yeah, man, the stab was improving. Now I sharpened my edge more, right? Which is my legitimate higher low at the end of the CRT. This is why I told you guys to sometimes you need to back test, right? Sometimes you need to find out your edge into this, right? You edge into CRT. I learned my CRT from Romeo. I eventually found out I take more losses at the end of the CRT if there is not a legitimate low or a high, right? In this case, there was no legitimate low here. A swing low is not a legitimate low, right? So yes, it's a swing low, but you want a legitimate low, right? So that's why took a stab, took a loss, right? And this loss I de-risked, right? Instead of risking 1%, I risked 0.50% to actually improve, right? Instead of just analyzing and not taking a trade, right? Salam, bro. Walaikum assalam, Tahir Mustafa. How you doing? Man, looking to get iPad for present moment. No taking that shit. Nice. Yes, sir, brother. Wait, it's kind of hard to wait. What do you say? Man, looking to get an iPad for present. What does moment mean? No. Oh, moment. No, that. Wait, what? Moment? No. Taking that shit is nice. Yeah, bro. Kind of hard to understand what did that running mean, but yeah. And my engine is kind of crooked though. There's no SMT confirmation here, so yeah. But the guy was asking for SMT here. There's no SMT specific trade right now, so yeah. This right over here, SMT. I think it was DXY. Yeah, there was SMT right over here, so yeah. Loss is cool. We learn from it. Note taking, yeah, bro. Yep, you gotta take a note every single day, man. You got everything I'm doing here. I'm taking a note here, bro. Let me show you what I mean by taking a note. Let me show you the rule about this. Thank God. Now I know that I can't be using a swing high or swing low at the end of the CRT. So this could have been. This is right here, sharpening my edge even more. So let me show you what I mean by this. Here, right over here, you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of hard for you to read it. But it says, look for a legitimate high or low before a purge, before a modern number. I mean, look for a higher low. Look for a legitimate high or low purge before modern number one formation, right? And at the end of the CRT, there must be a legitimate high or low. If there's not a legitimate high or low, wait for another purge after the purge of the CRT. I'm good, alhamdulillah. Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah. Only 2 losing trade and 1 learners and 1 now. Okay. Well, did you learn from it, brother? Did you learn from it? Hey, as long as you can learn from it, that's the best thing you could do, man. How did you take a loss in learning session, bro? Learning session with a clear move to the downside. Learning session was a really clear move to the downside here. And yeah, let's see. Market disrespect is out. Let's here as well. Now this model one that gets created, this could be the actual entry, but I'm not gonna take it because I can only take 1 trade per session, and I want to be taking the highest probably trade per session, right? Very beautiful, good loss. I mean, not a good loss. It's a good improvement loss, right? We improved in this trade. Hey, chat. Say what's up. Say what's up. Yeah. Say what's up. Who took this long ride over here on this Ekash network? Literally, our boy model number one on fucking model number one in what do you call it? What is this called? Wait, was it this candle or this candle? Yeah, he was just not that candle, this candle. If this candle pressed out, right? So this candle pulled out this candle. So these are two bullish candles, but this is fucking crypto. It's very difficult to read this. Wait, will this was in the daily or hourly? Yeah, if we go to our hourly time frame for that entry. Boom. Yeah, you guys see this at CRT even on fucking Akash Network and AI coin. Thank God it's popping today, man. Shit. Does it feel like you does it feel like you took the ass you had not taking a trade for so long that it leads you taking trade? Does it look like you took the trade as you had not taken any trade for as long as you the trade? Yeah, bro. I mean, no. I wanted to improve on this, right? Because I wanted to see this swing low or swing high would be a trouble for me, right? Because now, since I lose the trade, right? Now I can use the trade as an improvement, right? So I'm not here like because I haven't taken a trade in like fucking in 2 weeks now, right? Yeah, in a week or so, right? But I'm not. The thing is not because I haven't taken a trade in a while. So let me take a trade here, right? But it's not the case. The case in my head was like, okay, will this swing low as a? Can I just swing low as a legitimate low? Because I don't want to be encountering this again next time, right? The next time I encounter a swing low, I don't want to be taking on random loss. But that time, I'm not thinking about the same thing I'm thinking today, right? I'm not de-risking during that time, right? So during that specific time, instead of losing 2%, I'm only losing 50%, 0.50% to actually learn from this, right? So yeah, that's the reason, brother. I'm not here to be like, oh, I'm greedy. I'm gonna let me take a trade because I haven't taken a trade in a while. No, that's not the absolute case. My trade for this week would be right over here, just fucking shorting. The short right over here would be my trade for the week. Will it be that one? No, it was this one right over here. But this happened on Monday at 7 a.m. Today I woke up at 3 a.m. just to wake up right on time, but we took a loss here today, which is great, man. Fantastic. And this right over here is the area for improvement. You guys can see how I'm not that emotional because in my head, right, before I even took the trade, I was like, okay, I could potentially use this as an improvement. So let me see if I need a swing low or swing high as a. Let me see if a swing low or swing high could be a valid thing or not, right? In this case, it told me no, it can't be a valid. It has to be a legitimate high or low at the end of the CRT. Your sell stop got hit in London session and my bias was bearish, but my sell stop was too close. Yeah, man, you can't put it too tight of a stop loss. How did you enter the trade, brother? Your trade should have been right over here. This should right here should have been your trade to the downside or potentially this scanner right over here. If you would have entered this trade right over here, your stop loss should have been right on that, or you could have entered this other position right down here on London session, which is at 2:45 a.m. right over here, right? 2:45 a.m. you got tapped, right? 2:45, and yeah, right over there to the downside, right? The only time, chat, Will X and everybody else, the only time I will have emotions is when I'm being a stupid ass, right? When I'm not, saying, when I'm not taking a trade for no reason. If I'm taking a trade for no reason, if I'm taking a trade without a reason, that's when I'm gonna have emotional problem, right? If I take the trade with a reason, right? Go, okay, let me find out if I need to swing low or swing high. I have this bias. Let's see if this, let's see next time because this would prevent me in the future, future time, prevent me from losing way more, right? Because future time I might not be in the same mental state I am right now, right? I might not be in the same mental state where I'm looking for a swing high or swing low. I might count in the future time, I might lose even more, and that during that specific time, I may not have the solution to fix it, right? In this case, I have the solution to fix it instantly, right? I fixed the problem almost instantly, right? So yeah. And that's that. Let me go put down a extra note here just to not to use a now look for a swing high or swing low. It must be a legitimate high. And I just put the note down as well. I'm gonna put down my weekly trading focus as well to improve, which is right. Legit. And yeah, just put it down. Now, next time, keep that in mind and keep on improving here. And yeah, I'm done for the day. Now I don't have to take any trades. Now I'm gonna come back later on as well. Let's see how the market goes. Market might make a huge continuation day right over here because you can see market had an SMT with the age transition. London had an SMT with age transition, right? So that would prevent from market taking liquidity during this specific time. And the days when the market already hits the weekly goal, that specific day, it shouldn't be a really good day to trade because the setup's gonna be a lower probability. You can see on this setup we didn't have much, right? On this day, range high, range low, right? On this day, daily range. On this day, range high, range low. We had, daily context, weekly context, a lot of them, right? On this day, not that much, right? And this day we had a classic expansion week profile one, classic expansion week profile one, right? And this day, not that much, right? Even the classic expansion week profile one, that goes against our bias, right? Thursday meaning our drawing liquidity, but Thursday should not be the day we should be really trading, right? It could be a little reversal, but it's not guaranteed. But yeah, let's see here. I tried trading GBPUSD, but it kind of makes lesser sense to me than Euro. I don't know why, because they're calling it, right. Usually GBPUSD is more of a consolidation pair, right? GU consolidates a lot more than EU, bro. So yeah, I don't. Neither do I like to trade. I don't. That's why I stick to EU instead of GU, right? If I would have stuck to GU, I would have had multiple fucking bad trades, right? Because usually choppiness is a lot in GU, bro. That's why you always see me entering EU instead of GU, because if I had entered out of GU, break is like most of the time it's gonna be choppiness, bro. But yeah, chat, you guys got any question? Got anything, concerns? You can see if we protect as a loss, and this loss was not even a loss, right? You guys realistically, if you really think about it, you will never lose. You will never lose in your life. You know what I'm saying? You will always win. The reason you always win is the way you think, right? You don't look I don't look at losses as a way to as doubting myself, right? I look as a loss as a way to improve it, right? Even in fighting, when you box somebody, right? When you lose the match, you look back at the match, you try to improve, right? So you never lose. It's always an area for improvement, right? It's always an opportunity to improve, right? So yeah, you can never lose. This is it. Let's see how I'm gonna stay here till the next like till 10:30. I want to see how the market goes here. I want to see some stuff going on here. Let's see if we can get some bullish moving back out of here, because market has not exponentially moved down below this scanner right here, right? So we can have another CISD push up to the upside here. But that CISD, I'm not gonna be taking it because I've already taken a loss here. I want to take a one trade possession regardless of the outcome. Regardless of the outcome, I mean. I hate his voice cracks, bro. Na, 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 na. Crypto market is crazy. Na, 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 na. Chat. If Solana could overtake my boy XRP, if it could overtake XRP, bro, we're gonna be making banks. These meme codes in Solana are gonna skyrocket. The Solana meme codes are gonna sky the frick rocket. But yeah, I'm done for the day, chat. I'm gonna go and watch the video back, do a little bit more studying. Like today can be another video about today's gonna be a video about picking the right CISD. Yeah, that's gonna be today's topic, right? Today we took a loss. Today's video is gonna be picking the right CISD, picking the right trade, right? So yeah. And what else you have improved on this, because now we know now we have sharpened our edge. Now we know to not take a swing high or swing low, take mainly a legitimate low or high. And yeah, thank you for watching, chat. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna pull up the video, and yeah, see you guys later, man. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys are learning and improving as well. Everybody takes a loss. I took a loss. Loss are part of the process. It's about being calculated, being disciplined, being in a good mindset. You know, improving, taking losses as a way to improve rather than a losses as a way to doubt your strategy, right? Out of like 100 trades, you're less likely to lose a lot of them. Out of 100 trades, probably can lose 60 of them, right? But if your RR is like a good amount of RR, you're gonna be staying in profit, right? So yeah, I'm still in a what? I'm still in a 7.5, no, 6.5 pip, no, 6.5 RR up, right? So there's no worries about me losing this trade. But it is a trade though, right? We have to focus on this. You have to improve on this, right? This trade should not be like a way like, oh, he just comes in our one ear, it goes out the other here, right? It's to come here in our brain, make us improve, eventually go out, right? Eventually, once he's in the brain. Now next time we know when that happens again, now we know that okay, we can't take this because it's not a legitimate low or high, right? We can't take this because of that. And yeah, thank you for watching, chat. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, make sure you guys are taking notes. Make sure you guys are improving as well.